So let's write out these cards below 101, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then it says on the reverse, each card has a statement printed as follows. And then there's a series of statements. So my approach here is to basically assume that, well, let's go with 101. Assume that one of them is true and see the consequences on all the other cards. So if statement 101 is true, then that means, okay, it says the statement on card 102 is false, which means it must be. And now if we look at statement 102, exactly two of these cards have true statements. All right, I can't do much of that at the moment. But if I jump to 104, it says the statement on card 101 is false. And we know it's not because it's true, because this is what was our assumed one. So that must also be false. Then 105 says the statements on cards 102 and 104 are both false. And they are, so that must also be true. Which just takes us back to 103, which says four of these cards have false statements. And that's going to be false because we can see that, yeah, there's no way we could get four. So in this case, we've got two true statements. Right, maybe I should just add them up. So the total of the numbers shown on the front of the cards with true statements is going to be 101 plus 105, 206. So let's just take a look at what would happen if 101 was false. Okay, this is our new assumption. So now it says, what was it? 101 says the statement on card 102 is false. So that now must be true. And then 102 says exactly two have true statements. So we don't know about that at the moment. But 104 says the statement on card 101 is false. So that's got to be true. And 105 says 102 and 104 are false and then not. So that is also false. And 103 says four of the cards have false statements, which again they can't, so that one has to be false. So if we add these up, we now do 102 plus 104, we again get 206. So it's consistent. We don't actually know which is true and which is false, but we know regardless, it must be that the total of the numbers on the front of cards with true statements is 206.